For this project, we'll be using this dimension. This is a YouTube dimension. So let's give it a background color. Let's convert this to gradient. So I'll be using this. Let's add a text. New arrivals. Change the text font to Alex Brush. Bring it up here. Let's add another text. Luxury handbags. Let's change the font to Leaks Pattern. We also need to make it uppercase. Switch it up. Position it. And let's change the color of our text to white. For this text, we need to add an effect, a shadow effect. And the color for our shadow effect would be black. Now let's get a rectangle shape. I usually like to use a shortcut on my keyboard, which is just R. So if you're on a computer, it's just R. Computer, laptop, just press R on your keyboard, or you go to Element and then pick your square shape. So let me stretch this out from both ends and ensure that it is centered, aligned to the center. Let's change the color to white. Now let's bring in our bags. So if you want to replicate this for your product, you can use your products to replicate it. But if you want to use it or you want to replicate what I have, recreate what I have rather, just go to Element and search for luxury bags and you'll find them there. So I'll just copy and paste my bags. So here are my bags. I just searched luxury bags for my elements. Once you search luxury bags here, go to photos and you see all the bags that you need for this project. Once you pick them, remove the background and resize. That's how I got this, right? So the next thing we need here is a button that says Shop Now. So I'll go back to Elements and pick my button. First type Shop Now. So you can actually create your own button, but I want to, in this case, I want to use the one from Canva stock. So bring it down. Let's change this black to white, and then the white to this color. And now, okay, let's pick this color from here. Good. So this is the color, and this is our button. The next thing we have to add here is our website, www.shoes.com. Let's change this to Montserrat. Montserrat extra light, but let's just use light. And then reduce the size. Place it just beneath. Okay, let's just push it to the center. And then let's take it up a little. We need to change the color to white. Alright, so this is what we have. One last thing we need for this design is dotted square shape, dotted square. So just search for dotted square. We're using this one. The name is Abstract Minimalist Dots Shapes. So place this here, the size. And let's change the color to white. Duplicate this. And bring it down here. Okay, I think I need to resize this a little more. So this is what we have. So the next thing we will do is to duplicate, and then so we can have separate pages for our product. So let's duplicate this. Duplicate multiple times. So I noticed that our bags came in duplicate. I think I pasted twice, so that's why I have double of the bags. So I just remove the second one. Alright, so now let's begin working with each of these. So let's start with this one. So what we can do is to push these three to the side to resize this one because we want it to be bigger. Alright, so this is for this page. Go to the next page. Then move these ones to the side. To the side. And then increase. So this is what we'll do for the rest of the pages. So each page will have a product, one of the products bigger than the rest. So we have about 6 pages. And if you look very carefully, you see that each of the page has at least one product that is bigger than the rest. So this is what we want to achieve. So the next thing we'll do here is to reduce the timing. So I want each of the page to be about 2 seconds. So just go to timing and then add 2 seconds and apply to all the pages. And the next thing we'll do is to add transition. We'll be using the match and move transition for all. So apply between all pages. So if you notice that once we apply this transition, it reduced our timing. So I'll just go back here and edit the timing to 2 seconds. Then it will apply to all pages. So all pages are now 2 seconds. Now let's play to see what we have done so far. So you see what we have done? So this is just how to create this kind of effect. Now if I want to add sound to this, I'll go to Elements and type in Audio. So here we have different audio sounds you can add to your design. Just listen to each of them and see which one fits. I'll be using this one here, Driving Tech Party Track. So I'll add it to my design. And then this is what we have. So this is how to create this sort of transition, this sort of effect, this sort of display. I trust you can use it for your products. You can use it for anything, your new arrival, especially if you want to showcase them on social media. This is how you can do this to make it more interactive and engaging. So I hope you'll try this out, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.